Hi everyone, this is Danny at Cast, and today I'm going to talk about the new texturing with normal map images features that was introduced in wysiwyg R44. Normal maps are a special type of image which can be applied to flat surfaces in order to make them appear three-dimensional without actually modifying their geometry. As you can see, when I enable this option in the shaded view, the effect is that of ridges and valleys that correctly interact with light. The effect is even more apparent once I throw some side lights onto the wall, and once again you can see if I disable the option, then the wall appears quite flat, but when I enable it, the bricks pretty much pop out of the wall. Now, in order to show you how to achieve this, which is the point of this video, I'm going to load another version of this file which contains no textures, as you can see here. Switching to CAD mode, which is where I'm going to apply my textures, you can also see the rest of the scene, not just the wall. So there's my side light, the other side light, the wall itself, and fixtures along the top and the bottom of the wall. When you look for textures on websites such as TurboSquid, you sometimes find normal map equivalent images supplied at the same time as the image itself, such as this example here. The top left quadrant is the image that we want to apply as a texture, and the bottom right contains the normal. Once I downloaded this image to my machine, I used the paint program to cut out the top left quadrant and then cut out the bottom right quadrant to make the single equivalent images. In other cases, you will only find the image itself, and then you have to generate the normal for it. To do this, you can use a tool called Normal Map Online, which is free to use. And all you have to do after you downloaded the image to your machine is drag it over the square on the left of the tool, after which you can play with the controls at the top to adjust the parameters of the normal. If you don't want the preview cube to rotate, you can turn rotation off. Once you have something that you like, simply name your image. So red bricks normal. Hit download and save it. And now you have your normal image. Back in wysiwyg, we select and double click on our wall to access its properties. Switch to the appearance page. Click image source to add the texture and the normal map. So first the bricks texture, then the bricks normal. Click OK. Apply the bricks image as the texture to apply to the surface. Click use normal map and select the bricks normal image. Set a scale for it, let's say about 70 or 80. The scale sets the height at which the effect will appear. And then you can either choose to tile or stretch it. I'm going to make mine an 8x6 tile. And finally, if you wish, although in most cases you'll probably leave this option at 1, you can also choose how many times the normal is multiplied within each tile for the texture. When all done, click OK. Switch to design mode. And we can now see the effect. So there we are. Now that you know the basics, you can explore the feature on your own using the other textures and settings to add more realism to your visualizations. Thank you for watching.